in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve systems of equations as matrices by using row reduced echelon form, or rref, on DESMOS. First thing you're going to do is go to the website desmos.com/matrix. All right, let's look at this first example. As you can see, you are looking at a system of equations, but this system of equations involves x, y, and z. But I want to solve for x, y, and z all at one time. All right, first thing we're going to do is create our augmented matrix, which is basically the coefficients of each variable. So as you can see, this first variable right here, my coefficient is -5, so I'll put -5 here. And then in that same row, the next one will be -5. And then there's a -1 technically in front of that z, so I'll put -1. And then whatever it's equal to will go after that dotted line, which will be -23. And then I'll do the same thing for the next row, as well as the last row. And of course, there's a 1 in front of the x, so that's why I put a 1 right there, as well as a 1 in front of that z. Now that I've created my augmented matrix, I will go back to that website, desmos.com/matrix. First thing I'll do is click on the button that says New Matrix. Then I will go ahead and enter in the dimensions of my matrix, which is a 3x4. And then I'll type in all of the coefficients. I'll basically type in my augmented matrix and press enter. All right, once you press enter, it's stored in and it's labeled as matrix A. So then I'll press the button that says rref, which represents row reduced echelon form. You want to reduce every row down to zeros and just ones so that you can get your solution. And then I'm going to also press the button A since I stored my augmented matrix in as A. Once I do that, it gives me the solution, and it's all in the last column. Let me explain what you're looking at. Each column represents a variable, x, y, and z, that was originally in my system of equations. So, since that first column has a 1 right here, that means the solution for x is 6. In the second row, since there's a 1 right here for the y, that means the solution is -2. And in that third column, since there's a 1 right here for the z, that means the solution is 3. So, I'll write it as kind of like an order pair. It'll be 6, -2, 3. And that's it.